Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our home improvement series. Today, we have an exciting project ahead, decorating your front yard with a low-maintenance landscape design filter. We'll be using a variety of components to create a stunning yet low-maintenance outdoor space. Let's get started. The first step is always planning. Take a look at your front yard and envision how you want it to look. We've chosen a range of components to help us achieve a beautiful, low-maintenance design. Paving stones create a sturdy foundation for walkways and patios, while gravel pathways add a rustic touch. These require minimal maintenance and keep your front yard looking neat. Mulch beds not only look great but also help with weed control and moisture retention. Landscape edging defines your plant beds and prevents grass from encroaching. Retaining walls add structure and prevent erosion, while raised planters are easier to maintain and allow better control of soil quality. Xeriscape planting features drought-resistant plants, reducing the need for constant watering. Native trees and shrubs are low maintenance and adapted to your local climate. Rock gardens incorporate boulders and rocks for a natural look. Low-maintenance ground covers like creeping thyme can replace traditional lawns. A drip irrigation system is efficient and conserves water. Rain barrels collect rainwater for irrigation, reducing your water bill. Artificial turf requires no mowing, fertilizing, or watering. A deck or patio provides a comfortable space for outdoor seating and entertaining. Fencing adds privacy and security, while outdoor lighting enhances safety and aesthetics in your front yard. Arbors and pergolas provide shade and vertical interest. Decorative stones, garden benches, and outdoor sculptures add visual appeal to your front yard. And there you have it. A beautifully decorated front yard with a low-maintenance landscape design filter. Remember, with proper planning and the right components, you can have a stunning outdoor space that's easy to maintain. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.